pi there. If 3x plus 1 over 2x is equal to 6, find 4x squared plus 1 over 9x squared. And as a challenge, without solving for x. Before we solve this, you may pause the video for a while to try this first on your own. So good. Let us solve this one. For this one, observe that since our goal has a square in it, the natural thing to do is to square this one. So again, the natural thing to do is to square both sides of this equation. Or that is, we'll have here quantity 3x plus 1 over 2x squared equals 6 squared. To simplify this, for the right hand side, this would become 36. And for the left hand side, we apply square of a binomial out here. So we square the first term, then we'll obtain 9x squared. Square the last term, we'll obtain 1 over 4x squared. And for the middle term, we'll have 2 times the first term times the last term. So we have this. But take note that in this one, 9x squared doesn't match the given, since this one is in the denominator, this one is in the numerator. For the next one, 1 over 4x squared out here doesn't match the 4x squared out here, since this one is in the numerator and this one is in the denominator. So this doesn't really match what we want. So what do we do? But take note that we can actually do some manipulations out here to obtain this, but that would be more complicated than the trick that I would present out here. So again, what do? We first clear some space, convert this to white again, move this up. What we do out here is we can multiply 2 over 3 in both sides of the equation. So this one is the trick. For the right hand side, 6 divided by 3 will be 2. So we'll have 4 on the right hand side. And for the left one, we multiply 2 over 3 in each of the terms. So for the first term, the 3's would cancel out and we'll be left with 2x. And for the second term, the 2's would cancel out and we'll be left with 1 over 3x. And so we have this. Observe that if we square this one, so for the right hand side, 4 squared is equal to 16. For the left hand side, again we apply square of a binomial, so we'll have here square of the first term, which is 4x squared, square of the second term, which is 1 over 9x squared, and for the middle term, we have 2 times the first term times the last term. So we have this. And observe this matches what we want, since we have 4x squared now on the numerator, and 1 over 9x squared now on the denominator. So pretty nice. Just by multiplying 2 over 3, we arrived with this one. So much simpler than manipulating what we first got. So let's simplify this one. For the middle term, the x's can cancel out and we'll be left with 4 over 3. We move this 4 over 3 to the right side to obtain 16 minus 4 over 3. And then simplifying this one, this is just simply 44 over 3. And what can you see? This is what we want, since we have found the value for 4x squared plus 1 over 9x squared. Precisely what we want. So the answer for this problem is simply just 44 over 3. So a pretty simple solution just by applying this trick out here. So if you want to take a screenshot of the solution out here, you may do so. So we have this one. So you may take a screenshot of this one. And yeah, the solution is pretty straightforward and pretty nice. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot from this one. Feel free to comment down below if you have any suggestions, recommendations, or alternative solutions for this problem out here. So yeah, that's it, and that's all for this how to solve video.